L equals 24 plus 3.5 m. One end of a spring is attached to a ceiling. When an object of mass m kilograms is attached to the other end of the spring stretches to a length of L centimeters, as shown in the equation above. What is m when L is 73? We have a formula of L equals 24 plus 3.5 m. Let's try to understand. We have two variables here, L and m. And referring back to the problem, what we get is that m represents object mass in kilograms. So let's put that down. And L represents spring length. The problem states that the spring is attached to a ceiling and the object is hanging on that spring. And the formula we're given describes how the length L changes depending on the mass of the object. Even if we didn't quite understand all the relationships, one of the more important things when looking at formulas is to understand what variables stand for. And in this case, we've done a good job of putting it down as m being object mass and L being length of spring. The question asks, what is m when L equals 73? So having L as 73 simplifies this expression that we have. So let's write it down. L equals 24 plus 3.5 m. Now it's given that L equals to 73, so we can replace L with the number 73 in this equation. And what we get is 73 equals 24 plus 3.5 m. And we need to find m according to the question. This comes down to manipulation techniques that we have developed earlier. In this case, 24 is on the side of m, and let's try to shift it or eliminate it. So to counter plus 24, let's subtract 24 from both sides. What we get is 49 equals 3.5 m. In this case, now we're still working on isolating the m, which now suggests that since m is multiplied by 3.5, now we need to reverse that and divide by 3.5. And doing so, since this is a calculator session, we can divide it on the calculator, and what we get is m equals to 14. 14 is our answer, and it's answer choice A.